Hi guys, and welcome back to Global Education Zone. And in this episode, I'll be teaching you guys how to draw two pipes of unequal diameter to intersect at an angle, and then to draw the development of the smaller pipe. So this is pipe B. This is smaller pipe. So let's call it pipe B. This is pipe A. So we're drawing the development of pipe B. So now the first thing to do is you project lines at right angles to the sides of pipe B from each point on the curve of intersection. So basically, let's project lines. So project lines downwards. But first of all, you have to draw a semicircle on this B. So we'll draw the semicircle and divide it into 6 parts. Now we'll divide it. So let's divide it into semicircle. So yeah. So this will be the midpoint of this will be the center. So let's divide this. So that was an estimation though. But it's close because this is very small, so mistakes will be unnoticeable. So I'm drawing all these divisions to the center. So I'll project a line or another line from each of these and then take it. I'll project horizontal lines. So, okay, like let's say I'll project lines to the flat. Project lines to the flats. Yeah. Then to the surface. These are the projections. 5. Then so we don't need more than that. These are 5 lines. Then we also need to project these points downwards to the plan, so that we'll get the shape of the plan. So this is the shape of the plan of this cylinder B. So project these intersections downwards. Make sure, because they are tiny, you have to be careful. So for the second and for the third, this is actually the center line. So I'll make it of, I want to differentiate it, I'll make it of center line for it. So for the fourth, this is for the fourth. For the fifth, this is for the fifth. So here we go, so we are done with that. The next part is we'll transfer the diameter of this smaller. So this is the diameter, this is the radius. We transfer the radius to the smaller, so upward and downwards. So I'll use it to cut the length on the plan. This is length. This is length. So this is going to be how it will go from here to here. Then next, I need to draw a semicircle on this plan. So I also divide the semicircle into 6 equal parts. So there we go. So I will divide the semicircle into 6 equal parts. So I have 1, we have 2, we have 4. So this time I'll just basically draw lines on these points. You don't need to connect them because of the tiny nature. I don't want to make errors, so I just draw the lines directly without connecting them to the center of the semicircle, so that the lines will be visible. Now next, let's call this this should be 0, 1, 2, 3, and then we have 0, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So from here, our 0 will be at the end. Instead, 0, 1, 2, 3 to the center, 2, 1, and then 0. So this for the 3. So 3 intersects this 3, let's take the length upwards. So when we take these intersections upwards, we have 3. We have 3 intersecting 3 here. We have 2. So these are very, very tiny divisions. They are actually dismissible, but they are still important. So we have the 2. So we have the 1. So then let's note these points. So I have 3 intersecting 3 at the sides. So I have 0 intersecting 0 at the end. So this 0 right here, central line. Then we have 1 intersecting 1. So for the second line we have 1 intersects 1 here. And then 1 it also intersects 1 on the other side. Then we have 2 intersecting 2. That's the next one. 2 and 2. So we've done for 3 already. So the next thing is just to use your French curve to follow the path of this curve. So you can also trace it. Since it's such a small line, you can carefully trace it with your hand. So here we have this, the curve. So this is the curve of intersection. But that's not basically what we want to do here. What we are doing here, we need the development. So what we need to do, we just extend lines parallel to this top plane of the cylinder. So we extend lines. These lines will represent the points for the development. So I will extend parallel lines. Yeah. So for this one, this for the point 3, this for the point 2, this for the point 1, this for the point 0, for the point 1, for the point 2, and for the point 3. So I have them there. So the next thing to do is just count up the distance on the semicircle. We'll count it up 12 times for the development. Let's start from here. So that'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now we'll go back to 1. So we'll start from 1. So this is basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we'll just draw a perpendicular line through these sections to show the curve. So this is the first section, second section, third section, fourth, now the fifth, the sixth, the seventh, the 8th, the 9th, the 10th, then we have the 11th and the 12th, and then we'll get back to the 1. So then this our development will be drawn on this point. So I have let's call this is from the 3 to the 2 to the 1, then to the 0 to the 1 to the 2 to the 3. Now let's do for the 3. We have 3 here. We have for the 3, for the 2, for the 1, for the 0, for the 1, for the 2, for the 3. So we'll still repeat this same pattern because the other way around, the semicircle is still the same the other way around. So we'll still repeat the same pattern. And then this is the curve of the development. So you can just draw your line, straight line through it. Then use a straight line. we'll draw the straight line through it. So we can now develop this. So this for the development, we'll begin to do it. Development. Let's draw the curves. So we can continue from there. So how for there? So we can also draw for here. So we'll draw from here too. So we'll draw from here too. Yeah, and for here. So I'm drawing the curve of the development, this development curve. So then we have this for this. Then let's draw the heights. So these are the heights shared by each of these. So this, there we go. So draw the horizontal, the bottom. So and this is the development of two pipes of unequal diameters to intersect at an angle. So this is the development of the pipe B, which is the smaller pipe in this case. So I hope you understand this aspect. Thanks for watching.